Simple English for School Life. Podcast Script, Part 1. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. Today, we learn simple English for school life. This topic is very useful. You can use it every day at school. Yes, you can talk to your teacher, your classmates, and your friends. English can help you feel more confident. Before we start, please follow and subscribe if you enjoy learning with us. And here is a simple question for you. Do you like your school? Think about it. Okay, let's start. Good job for being here today. Phrase 1. Can I go to the bathroom? Listen. Can I go to the bathroom? Listen again. Can I go to the bathroom? This means you ask your teacher for permission. Very polite. Example 1. Can I go to the bathroom, please? Example 2. Teacher, can I go now? Example 3. Can I go to the bathroom for a minute? Let's try a short conversation. Student, can I go to the bathroom? Teacher, yes, you can. That's great. Very simple. My example. In class, I say, can I go to the bathroom? My example. I feel shy, but I still ask. Can I go to the bathroom? Now repeat with me. Can I go to the bathroom? Again. Can I go to the bathroom? Good job. You're improving already. Phrase 2. I don't understand. Listen. I don't understand. Listen again. I don't understand. This means something is not clear for you. Example 1. Sorry, I don't understand. Example 2. I don't understand this lesson. Example 3. I don't understand the question. Let's try a mini dialogue. Student, I don't understand. Teacher, it's okay. I will help you. That's great. Asking helps you learn. My example? In math class, I say, I don't understand. My example? I ask my friend, I don't understand this. Repeat, I don't understand. Again, I don't understand. Very good. Keep going. Phrase 3. Can you help me? Listen. Can you help me? Listen again. Can you help me? This means you need help from someone. Example 1. Can you help me with homework? Example 2. Can you help me, please? Example 3. Can you help me understand this? Mini dialogue time. Student, can you help me? Friend, yes, I can help you. Nice, friendly and easy. My example, I ask my teacher, can you help me? My example, I ask my friend in class. Repeat. Can you help me? Again. Can you help me? Excellent. You're doing great. Real life practice conversation. Let's use all phrases together. Okay. Student, can you help me? I don't understand. Friend, yes. What is the problem? Student, I don't understand this lesson. Friend, no problem. I will help you. Student, thank you. Also, can I go to the bathroom? Teacher, yes, you can. That's great. You can use these every day. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. I no understand. This is wrong grammar. Correct. I don't understand. Repeat. I don't understand. Mistake 2. Can help me? Missing you. Correct. Can you help me? Repeat. Can you help me? Mistake 3. I go bathroom? Not polite. Correct. Can I go to the bathroom? Repeat. Can I go to the bathroom? Wrap up. Today we learned 3 useful phrases. Can I go to the bathroom? I don't understand. Can you help me? You did a great job today. Yes. Keep practicing every day. Final question. Which phrase do you use most at school? Tell us your answer.
Welcome back. Great job coming to part 2. You're doing amazing. Yes, you already learned some useful phrases. Now let's learn more for school life. Ready? Let's go. Phrase 4. What does this mean? Listen. What does this mean? Listen again. What does this mean? This means you ask about meaning. Very useful in class. Example 1. What does this word mean? Example 2. Teacher, what does this mean? Example 3. What does this sentence mean? Mini dialogue time. Student, what does this mean? Teacher, it means hello. That's great, clear and simple. My example. In English class, I ask, what does this word mean? My example. I ask my friend when I don't know a word. Repeat. What does this mean? Again. What does this mean? Good job. Keep going. Phrase 5. How do you say this in English? Listen. How do you say this in English? Listen again. How do you say this in English? This means you want to know the English word. Example 1. How do you say this in English? Example 2. How do you say ban in English? Example 3. Can you tell me how to say this in English? Let's try a mini dialogue. Student, how do you say this in English? Teacher, you say table. Nice, very useful phrase. My example, I ask my teacher this question. My example, I ask my friend during class. Repeat, how do you say this in English? Again, how do you say this in English? Excellent, you're improving already. Phrase 6, can you repeat that? Listen, can you repeat that? Listen again, can you repeat that? This means you did not hear clearly. Example 1, sorry, can you repeat that? Example 2, can you repeat that please? Example 3, I didn't hear, can you repeat that? Mini dialogue. Student, can you repeat that? Teacher, of course, listen again. That's great, no problem to ask again. My example, in class, I say this when it is too fast. My example, I use this with my friends too. Repeat, can you repeat that? Again, can you repeat that? Very good, keep practicing. Real life practice conversation. Let's use all phrases together again. Yes, let's do it. Student, excuse me, what does this mean? Teacher, it means book. Student, oh, thank you. How do you say vo in English? Teacher, you say notebook. Student, can you repeat that? Notebook. Student, I understand now. Thank you. That's great. You see? Very natural. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. What mean this? Word order is wrong. Correct. What does this mean? Repeat. What does this mean? Mistake 2. How say this English? Missing words. Correct. How do you say this in English? Repeat. How do you say this in English? Mistake 3. Repeat again, please. Not natural. Correct. Can you repeat that? Repeat. Can you repeat that? Wrap up. Today we learned 3 more great phrases. What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Can you repeat that? You are doing so well. Yes, practice every day and you will improve fast. Final question. Which new phrase will you use tomorrow at school? Tell us your answer.
Welcome back to part 3. You're still here. Great job. Yes, you're learning step by step. That's amazing. Today, we will go deeper into real school life. Phrase 7. I forgot my homework. Listen. I forgot my homework. Listen again. I forgot my homework. This means you did not bring your homework. Example 1. Sorry, I forgot my homework. Example 2. Teacher, I forgot my homework at home. Example 3. I forgot my homework today. Mini dialogue. Student, I forgot my homework. Teacher, please bring it tomorrow. That's okay. Be honest. My example? Sometimes I say this on Monday. My example. I feel bad, but I say it politely. Repeat. I forgot my homework. Again. I forgot my homework. Good job. Keep going. Phrase 8. Can I borrow a pen? Listen. Can I borrow a pen? Listen again. Can I borrow a pen? This means you want to use someone's pen. Example 1. Can I borrow a pen, please? Example 2. Can I borrow your pen? Example 3. I forgot my pen. Can I borrow one? Mini dialogue. Student. Can I borrow a pen? Friend. Sure, here you go. That's great. Very polite. My example? I ask my classmate in class. My example. I say thank you after. Repeat. Can I borrow a pen? Again. Can I borrow a pen? Excellent! You're improving already. Phrase 9. What page are we on? Listen. What page are we on? Listen again. What page are we on? This means you ask about the page in the book. Example 1. Sorry, what page are we on? Example 2. What page are we on now? Example 3. Teacher, what page are we on? Mini dialogue. Student. What page are we on? Friend. Page 10. Nice, simple and helpful. My example? I ask when I am late. My example? I ask my friend quietly. Repeat. What page are we on? Again. What page are we on? Great job! Keep practicing. Real life practice conversation. Full situation. Now let's use many phrases together in one story. Yes, listen carefully. Student. Sorry, what page are we on? Friend. Page 15. Student. Thank you. Can I borrow a pen? Friend. Sure, here you go. Thanks. Oh, I don't understand this. Friend. No problem, I can help you. What does this mean? It means study. Can you repeat that? Study. Okay, I understand now. That's great. Very natural school conversation.
Mistake 1. I forget my homework. Wrong tense. Correct? I forgot my homework. Repeat. I forgot my homework. Mistake 2. Give me pen. Not polite. Correct? Can I borrow a pen? Repeat. Can I borrow a pen? Mistake 3. What page now? Missing words. Correct? What page are we on? Repeat. What page are we on?
Wow, you learned many useful phrases today. Let's review all quickly. Can I go to the bathroom? I don't understand. Can you help me? What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Can you repeat that? I forgot my homework. Can I borrow a pen? What page are we on? Amazing work. You're improving every day. Keep practicing. Speak every day, even a little. Final question. Which phrase will you use first at school? Tell us your answer. See you next time. Bye.